Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you a very traditional German recipe, and I realized this is the second soup recipe in a row. I don't know what's happening to me, but yeah, you get what you get, so I hope you enjoy it. First off, you want to start by peeling your onion, and then you want to cut it down into smaller chunks. You want to put some oil in a pot, you want to heat it up and throw those onion in there and let them cook for a little while. And then you want to go ahead and peel your potatoes and cut them into smaller little squares. So when your onions look ready, you want to throw in the potatoes with them and then let that roast for a little while mixing it. And then you can go ahead and add the water to make sure nothing burns in there. Now you want to peel your carrots, and you also want to cut those down into smaller pieces. And into the pot they go. Now lastly, you want to cut down your leek into rings and add them to the pot as well. Now you want to give that a good mix, making sure that everything is mixed up nicely, and then you want to go ahead and add your vegetable stock, some salt, pepper, and nutmeg. And then you wanna mix that again so the spices are distributed evenly, and let that cook for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, you can go ahead and cut down your sausages. We were using vegetarian sausages, so that's always an option. Next up, you wanna go ahead and puree the soup. You want to take your time with that until it is a very even, creamy texture. No stray leek or anything like that in there. Then you want to add a tablespoon of sour cream and mix that in as well. Now lastly, you want to add spices to taste. I have this special kind of potato spice, so it's a spice mix that goes with potatoes well, but you can use more nutmeg. I used a little bit more salt, just what you enjoy, and mix that in, and then you're ready to serve this. So here you can see the creamy texture, and you just want to add that on a plate, add your sausage pieces on top, and then you're ready to enjoy. So as I said, this is a very traditional recipe, something I used to eat as a child too, and it's just fun to rediscover these recipes. So I hope you give it a try. Bye!